they're disabling the alarm. So now if there's real fire, we won't know.
So my son just went to the front desk at the Great Wolf Lodge. They're disabling the alarm. This is the third time it's gone off since our stay here. In like 12 hours. There's another fire truck.
Probably wasted the freaking city $200 today.
So, the first time it went off, we were actually in the middle of a total eclipse. And you can go blind if you didn't have the appropriate eyewear for that, which I had none, because they were nice enough to give one pair of glasses when you first got here for the event, but my son happened to be using them at their Eclipse party out at the outdoor pool by the water park here that they have. So me and my 4-year-old little girl were standing right where that fire truck was, along with a ton of new arriving guests and people that were just happened to be in that part of the building, because we asked about 5 or 6 different maids and the front desk for an extra pair, but no one would give us any, even though I paid additional $300 and some for another night. So my little 4-year-old girl was freaking out because she knew without these glasses that you will risk your vision by looking at the sun during this eclipse. And so she was hysterical, and it was very difficult for me to keep her from doing something she was told not to do, because that's what kids like to do, is everything they're told not to do. So we are quite exhausted. 3 fire alarms in the last 12 hours, and just getting to bed and having to drive at the crack of dawn. My son to his doctor's appointment in Pinehurst. We live like 3 hours from here. I'm not going to be able to stay on the road straight. So this is apparently they're going to disable the fire alarm. So if there actually is a fire, we won't know. This is quite crazy. So I don't really know anything else to say, but I did see some people leaving, but it's my son. We're not going to see much here today. But, I mean, at 2 in the morning, we're not going to see much. But anyway, that's about all I have. Shut this door.